Hey there, I'm Dr. Mark McCawley, and today I'm going to answer a couple questions about, does orthodontic treatment affect my gums? Does it affect my bone? Well, you'd be surprised at what it can actually do. So how orthodontic treatment works is it actually pushes the tooth against the bone, so you actually resorb bone, and then hopefully you redeposit bone on the other side of that as that tooth kind of moves around. Well, I'm going to show you some cases where some people did some orthodontic treatment and, well, they didn't really get rid of the gum disease before they treated the orthodontics. So this is a case where this person ended up losing a ton of bone as a direct result of the orthodontics being moved around. So the teeth were actually moved with, brackets and wires when they had gum disease. So this case ended up losing a ton of bone. You can see those long teeth. Well, they don't like having those long teeth like that, and I can't blame them. And that's a direct result. That's why I get a lot of patients coming in before orthodontics. That is the ideal time to get tested for gum disease. If you come in, get tested for gum disease before orthodontics, this can be prevented. So if you're getting orthodontics and you think maybe you got a little bit of bleeding, a little bit of inflammation around your mouth, you need to get checked out before you start moving the teeth around, because you can definitely have some serious complications if you don't get checked. So thank you very much. Have a great day.